Happy Sunday, budget friends! Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job, and I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of June, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link them as well. So today is high priority cash stuffing. Typically just my weekly expenses to get me through my week. And then I have some savings challenges that I'm working on or trying to work on that I need to take care of. I made a decision on this savings challenge. So we will get to that. Let's start with counting up the cash, and then we will get to stuffing our weekly expense envelopes. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have $105 that I'm working with today. Let's see how we're going to make this happen. First off, our weekly expense envelopes are in my cute little wallet. This has been working for me greatly because I have a couple of different options that I keep switching to, and this fits perfectly in every size, so I don't need anything bigger. Let's see, Mommy is getting $10, and for those of you who are interested in knowing, next week I will be pulling my safety net to do a cash stuffing, so I'm not certain how much we'll have next week. Gas getting $20. And I thought about reducing this, but I feel like we've been driving around town a little bit more, even though we haven't been spending a whole lot of money to do things, going to different parks, going to the mountains, going to, you know, just wherever. We've been driving a little bit more. So household, let's go ahead and add that $10. Nothing's changed there. As a matter of fact, I should have increased this, and if I need to take anything from gas, I will, because the household items go a lot quicker when there's 3 people at home almost every day. So I'm still on my 2-week break from work. Pets getting $10. All right, and then miscellaneous, let's add $5. This is for my laundry. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to carry this envelope. I have my laundry, my quarters, lots of quarters in there, actually, probably more than I actually need, but perfect opportunity to take a couple more dollars on one of the discount days and wash a blanket or 2. Perfect. So I'll just set that back over there. All right. That's perfect. That handles everything in my wallet, and I will throw that back in my purse when I get up from here. All right. So we're going to move on to our savings challenges. What I decided to do is I started this savings challenge with the hopes of getting some things done. However, what I noticed is, Silenthia, you're biting off more than you can chew, and we're not going to do that. Today is a day to reconcile and make things better for us. This is the savings challenge that is for the June collaboration. So, grab my marker here. All I'm going to do is, I don't want this big marker, I want a smaller one. Let's see if this one works. I don't know. I'm just going to transfer these amounts to this savings challenge, and we're going to move all the money together. So we have 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2. 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2. Perfect. So now I'm just going to remove this savings challenge that I got from Cassie J. She's always linked down below. She also made this savings challenge for the collaboration. Let's see here. So what's absolutely necessary to separate the savings challenges? No, I could have continued on with both of them and probably not finished both of them next weekend like I was hoping. As a matter of fact, let me think this through. No, we'll hopefully be able to continue on next week with this savings challenge. I think what I'm going to do is, should I roll the dice? I don't even know where the dice is. I have my player's cards. I'm just have a player's card. Let me just flip it over and we're going to see what it says. $4. We're going to add $4 today. Let's do this. 5 and then 1. Perfect. $4. Should I flip another card? All right, so they are just right in front of me, so we're gonna just, oh, $1. Okay, that's a good number. Let's see, $1. And should we add one? We'll flip one more card. $1. Okay, perfect. Not too crazy. I do have some other savings challenges I'm working on over here. Is this enough ones? Not certain. But this savings challenge now has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36, which is amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to swap out 1 5 because we have some other savings challenges that we need to work on. So I'm glad I decided to do that. It was stressing me out just a little bit, which I'm like, it's not that big of a deal. If you don't finish it, you don't finish it. But I kind of feel like I want to focus on one savings challenge and get my mind back into staying focused and conquering these savings challenges. When I do too many and too much at once, then I get overwhelmed. Let's put these players' cards back. All right, so we have 2 other savings challenges that have been really important for me. So this knockout savings challenge is the next one we're going to work on, and I need my marker as well. We'll grab it in a moment. So round 1 is completed, round 2 is completed, so we need to move on to round 3, and I'm just adding $1 a round. So once they're completed, they're completed. There are other ways to complete these challenges, and the how-to here, and then the tracker. Okay, I'm going to shush my face, and we're going to add these dollars. Okay, grab my marker. We're going to go ahead and color in our trackers. Round 3 is officially completed. So what I'm doing is adding $1 every round, and I don't remember how much it adds up to, but you can do it however you want. If you want to add $1, if you want to add $5, if you want to follow it how the instruction says so, by all means, feel free to complete the challenge the way you see fit for your budget. That's one of the reasons I like these savings challenges that don't have a specific number linked onto them. But I have seen other YouTubers, their channels and videos where it doesn't matter if it says $100, they'll put $1 in there. If it says $50 or $55 or $93, they'll just put $1 because that's what works for them. So feel free to work your savings challenges the best way for your budget. Okay, so now we've added our 3rd round. So hopefully next week we'll be doing round 4. And this is really exciting. I'm enjoying this progress. And I'm going to grab my other savings challenge binder. All right, so we have this big boy. I was thinking about actually unstuffing this one today because I have some things coming up that I need to take care of and I need the funds. However, I'm going to have to reevaluate that and see what my game plan is. So what we did last week is we scratched off the last few numbers from our Save 50, and it was $17. So we're going to add that now. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So this one should be completed with $50. All right, so now we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's one too many. Let's see. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, we have an extra dollar in there, and I'm not going to leave it in there. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. All right, so this scratch off saved me $50 and is completed. And this other scratch off, let's see, it was $40 and that one is completed. So we have a couple of other savings challenges here. This one will save me $60 and then this one will save me $125. Don't have very much money remaining, and that was another reason why I was thinking maybe I should unstuff it. Anyway, I have some things coming up, like this Friday is my kiddo's birthday and we're going to an expensive seafood restaurant. I do have some money put aside and I am continuing to save for that. I believe I have a video coming Wednesday. I have the money set aside for me to do a cash stuffing, so I will work on that. But how do we want to do this? Let's see what we can do. Let's just do that because we're in the see what we can do phase. We are just going to go for it. All right, so let's take $5 and we will color in 5 and then a $1 here and then $1 here, $1 here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, $4 here, and then $3, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then $1 here, and then we have $2. Oh, just kidding. We need to take back that dollar. Psych your mind, make your booty shine. I don't have my eraser, but we are taking this dollar away. Where's my eraser? Okay, I'm not prepared to erase anything. Oh, hold on, 1 second. Okay, so I found my eraser. I just break off little pieces from my magic eraser. It sounds like this. Okay, perfect. So we're taking that dollar away, and the reason being these are letter bucks, and I completely forgot about the letter bucks. But we're gonna go ahead and add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 today for this savings challenge. And that gives us a total of a lot of money. 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. $52. We are so close to completing this one, but I'm not going to worry about it. I was going to try to wait till next week to unstuff this, but I think we're just going to unstuff it today. I think that's where we're at. Yes, I think that's the best thing for me to do. At this point, I need the funds. That's all there is to it. I'm glad that I went for it. Normally, I would not venture out and try to take on such big numbers in just 1 month. It's just not my style. I like little bitty tiny numbers, but I know I wanted to save this money. Originally it was for my birthday, but now we're gonna rethink that for my kiddo's birthday, just because it's coming on Friday and I'm not certain I actually have all the funds for it. I'm gonna set this off to the side. All right, letter bucks. And this is the other reason I wanted to go ahead and do these letter bucks, because I have some letter bucks for my kiddos, and they are both getting their letter bucks on Vincent's birthday, which is Friday. So there's that. Let me grab my marker. Okay, took me a second, but I did find it. All right, so what we're gonna do is add a B buck for Victor. No, for Vincent. B is Vincent. We're adding 1. And we're going to go ahead and count it up this week. Last week I wanted to count it up and all that jazz. But I think since we are giving them the money this Friday, I'm not adding anything else. And if I do, it won't be on camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. $27, which is awesome because his birthday is Friday, the 27th. So that's pretty awesome. All right, So I'm going to put this back in here for now, but this is the cash they will be receiving. I did decide to put it into a card, and then once they open it and count their money and things like that, they can give it back to me. It's a whole big deal of putting the money on Cash App. So we're going to work on that. All right, and we have a D-Buck for Victor. D-Buck. And now he should have the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Exactly. Perfect. That's wonderful. All right. So here we go. We have K-Bucks. K-Bucks are for me. And I think I'm going to pull them out on my birthday. I was trying to figure out what I want to do for my birthday. I think I might go to the casino. I've been talking about going to the casino. I just haven't been able to go again. So adding one more $1. And we're not going to count these up because we're not unstuffing them. The last letter buck that I am saving is E-Bucks. So I'm going to completely focus on that. Once this is completed, I'm sending it in the mail to Texas. So there's that. And you know what? I was going to unstuff that savings challenge binder right now. But I think what I'll do is... how do I want to do that? How do we want to make that work? I'll have to figure it out. But as it stands, we're going to close out this video because I think it's the best thing for me to do. I'm not prepared to unstuff shit quite yet. So yeah, okay. My brain's overthinking. Shut it down, Silynthia. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.